is Dr. Melissa Wyckoff, and I am the owner and director of audiology at Peachtree Hearing. I see that you're interested in a hearing test. Did you know that most physicians recommend getting your hearing tested annually if you're over the age of 45? If you or someone you know is having any difficulty hearing, please take my advice and get your hearing tested. Hearing loss can sometimes be a symptom of a more serious underlying condition. Your life could literally depend on it. I have the experience, qualifications, and the most advanced equipment for accurately and easily testing your hearing. Call now or contact us with the form below to schedule your exam today.